take a walk. Guess what I'm doing? You got it. Waiting. I'm waiting. And waiting because tonight we're going off. Me and Ogida are going on a date. And it is 10:15. And I've been ready since 9 o'clock. So that's the life story. And I'm gonna start documenting this because I normally don't, but I guess maybe if she sees it herself, she'll speed up the process. So yeah, tonight we're going out on a date, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the show. So, what do you guys think of her outfit and mine? Which one looks better? Hers or mine?
You know the answer. What are you asking?
Me? Mine. Mine looks better, right? Yeah.
Okay.
She wants to take a look at herself in the mirror. Okay, remember, you guys remember, right? There's a mirror in the bathroom, a mirror in our room, and then a mirror in the living room. And if there was a mirror in the car, well, there is a mirror in the car that she actually uses it sometimes. She'll use it there too. I guess it's a mirror thing. All right, so let's go with the show. So, and you know, it's Friday night and we're not on the boat. I'm gonna tell you guys why we're not on the boat. Is because if you guys are here locally, I guess it's some kind of bacteria in the water from Halover all the way down to South Beach. So we decided, you know what, we're not gonna spend the night on the boat. Might as well go out, have a little bit of fun, and then maybe go to the beach, but Hollywood Beach. You know, staying away from Miami Beach. So we waited for the girls to come, and we're on the road. And we're here at Doral City Place. And here, this place is about 20-25 minutes away from the house without traffic. And if you notice, this place is not that big, but it's well compact with clubs, lounges, restaurants, bars, even a movie theater and a bowling alley. But if you don't feel like attending any of those places, you can just simply walk around and enjoy the music and the scenery. We made it upstairs to a club or if you want to consider a lounge. But the good thing about this place, the music is from the 80s and 90s, so it's pretty good. The bad thing is that I can't play the music and you guys can't enjoy it. But you could tell by the girls dancing around, they were sure having a good time. Now this is something that caught me out of surprise. I didn't know they had a live band that played music here. Well, the question I asked myself was, I couldn't really tell what type of music they were playing, meaning the words that they were singing, because sometimes it sounded like English, but sometimes it sounded like Spanish. Or maybe it was just the audio, it wasn't that clear, so I couldn't really understand it. But it's okay, because the rhythm sounded good. One thing I like about going to the club is it reminds me when I DJ parties and I see people dance and have a good time. And also, you guys have noticed already, Ojita loves dancing. So it doesn't matter if it's in a club, at the house, or just listening to the radio in the car. So let me know how you guys feel about music. Do you like dancing, just hearing it? Or does it bother you so much that you tell the person next to you to turn it down?